Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, you know something, forget the name?
I don't know neither, I know some taco you make.
Queso taco with Rivera. Sorry. It's gonna be in the description below, okay? I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. And what it is corn tortillas with beef and cheese, and then we have some Spanish rice, and then we have some lime to squeeze it on, and then we have some dipping sauce. And I do have a separate video on how I made this delicious meal. If you want to check it out, you can go ahead and click the link above here or below. And I did see It's So Good. She made it on her channel, and I was like, I have to try it. So this is my first time trying it. But before we dig in, I do want to show you guys my outfit of the day. You just staring at the food.
Messy for you, man.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
Okay.
We're back. I hope you like first thing outfit of the day, because you know I do.
Alright guys, we're gonna dig in. Like I said, this is my first time making it.
It came out good.
Well,
excelente.
How you know you even taste it?
Spanish rice, so have you talk Spanish today?
Well, the kids, they had their dinner already, and this is exactly how it looks. That does look good. Okay.
And what kind of meat you got in here?
It's beef. No pork for the dread. And then
Fashadras.
what you do is you dip it in the sauce.
Dang, girl.
And
love the sauce. Okay. And this is what we're drinking today again. We're back again, you know? I'll give it a next try again. A lady's drink. What are you drinking first, lady?
I'm drinking a lady's drink too. I already started.
Happy Wednesday, everybody. Damn, I'm tasting myself.
How are you gonna eat with your mouth?
Now mush it up.
So after I made it, I put it in the oven on warm. So,
It's good.
it's good.
What do lime do now? Just put lime on it.
It's going everywhere else except on my taco. You know, I don't know. They just say to try it there.
Want to try with lime? Well, I go everywhere but except my taco for real, huh?
Sorry, I had a piece of fat.
Napkin.
Oh, napkin?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is good.
It is good.
For your first time?
It is good. I'm not gonna lie. And some Spanish rice.
Oh, great. Good man. Good man. Oh yeah, Spanish Jamaican restaurant. Damn. And it smells like food that's next when you go to a Spanish restaurant for now?
It does taste good. I'm not gonna lie.
Enjoy. Wow. I hope you like our little vlog video yesterday. You know what I'm saying?
We had fun.
We had fun. Good to come out of the house.
There was hardly anybody in that mall. Which side?
Nobody. Usually, them time they're full. Go back to school, right?
Yeah.
Ain't nobody there.
Nobody.
This is good.
The only thing is that when you make this, honestly, it's not something that you can make and then have it sitting.
Yeah.
Like if you have guests.
You gotta get to it.
To be honest, I can eat it right away. It still tastes good, but you gotta eat it right away.
That's true. You know, everything you make and try out for somebody else's thing, it tastes good.
Thank you.
Come on. You the gold first lady.
I hope I'm pronouncing it right.
Yeah. It's in the description up there or down there.
Queso tacos
We're not.
with Birria, meaning the beef. Because traditionally it's made with lamb. This is made with lamb and cheese. But I'm not really a fan of lamb. Lamb chops, yes, but like a whole lamb,
I'm not here now. As long as it's not what?
pork.
Alright, so.
I made a mess.
What happened? Let me see your face.
You gotta check them because we can't see the camera.
Yeah, it's in that camera, man.
Like bright man.
This is nice.
Thank you.
This is nice. Delicious. You just soak it and you dip in here, eh?
Yeah.
Good. Look at this dripping. Look at that. Nice.
Sometimes you gotta try some new stuff.
We have to.
You know?
You have to.
See what you like, see what you don't.
You know, so you're not dropping me tonight. You're not dropping me, you're not tripping me, no.
Why you give me a hiccup?
You're not tripping me first lady, and drop me. No, guys, not again, family.
Oh, please.
Nice.
You tired?
Like, watch each slow in my mouth. I can massage my mouth good. I eat slow.
Because it hurts, right?
My tongue.
Ooh.
See that? You said beef?
So, you're supposed to put some of the beef in there, and also some onions, so some onions, and some cilantro. But I don't really like cilantro, so
Panic.
I'm on.
The bottom cilantro.
I forgot the onions. But it's okay, and you're supposed to like squeeze lime juice in there. So it's a lot of traditional ways, things that I'm able to do with this.
But it was how was it? Was it easy?
To be honest,
No, be honest.
no. I looked at the black part and thought the camera was dead. I realized up there. That's how I was like, no. To be honest, it's a lot of work.
Be honest, yeah.
It's a lot of work because you have to brown the meat and then cook it in a crock pot.
Yeah.
And the steps to, if you're okay, you know what? If you're someone who's done this several times, it's easy for you. Like when someone says, oh, it's hard to make oxtail. And I say, no, it's not.
Yeah.
You just season in the meat and throw it in a pot and cook it down.
Yeah.
But that's because they've never made it before. So to them it seems daunting. Hiccups, right?
Hiccup on our food nice. You only get hiccup on food nice, huh?
So
You giving them your true opinion.
I can see why somebody would say oxtail takes a long time. But for me, my first time, it's a lot of steps.
Yeah. It is. Come on, feel look better first lady.
Yeah?
Yeah. Need slow. No, bite my tongue again in the same place.
Man,
Don't bite my tongue same place like that, no? Gone, you know? Ah.
I can't believe you hurt your mouth like that. And sprain your ankle.
Same time, I got a what? I got a 2-for-1.
Wow. I put
First they be doing her thing. When she said she want to try new stuff, I said go ahead. Food, we in there.
I just
When it's food, we in there.
and I would have made it more spicier because when you make a new recipe, it's good to follow it exact,
Yeah.
you know, and then
Do your own thing.
Do your own thing.
Yeah. It tastes good, man. Rice nice too.
Thank you. I like the
Crunchy
crispy
one?
cheese, yeah. That's good.
You hit the spot, girl.
I should have got a water, you know.
You want water? Don't go and don't take my food. I'll be back.
Thank you.
I'm back. Did she eat up all the food or she saved me some? Well, not tell me anyway. So what may I ask enough for?
You might have to eat one of these tacos.
Alright, whatever. But now you slow.
Because you eat slow.
Now you slow there. So we can yam them. But this is good. Good in the word.
The kids was like, wow, this is good, mommy.
For your first time doing it, I'm saying, every time you try something different, new, you always make it good. You know what I'm saying?
On gravy and rice?
For somebody. Give me a piece of my beef, you know. My beef and I eat.
And I say you love beef.
I love the beef, man. My day been good. First day they been good. How your day been?
I hope good.
You know what I'm saying? It gotta be good for me wake up, you know what I'm saying? Let me know how your day been so far. See? I already finished my woman drink. I'm not going no more because first lady can't trick me.
My God, whatever.
She not trick me today. Yeah, but
I trick you?
Yeah, you trick me and get drunk with man.
Oh my goodness.
So, you know what I'm saying? Call me down with love and tell me how your day been, man. Know what I mean? If it's good, okay. Bad, sad. You know?
If it's been bad, we're here to cheer you up.
Exactly. Enjoy eat with us. Yeah. Don't forget Friday. Grown Folks Part 3 live, 6 o'clock.
No music,
No music.
but we're gonna have fun.
I got fun. You know what I'm saying? Come with some topics, alright? Grown folks. What?
What was I gonna tell them? I said I had a story time.
Oh, you did. Oh, not that.
I forgot.
Damn, man. You did say too. You didn't even tell them. Damn.
I forgot.
It was a good story too. It was something you said to someone. I said, yeah, that would be good.
Oh my
Shucks.
goodness. I forgot.
I don't like that, bro. I like for a minute. I remember.
As soon as the camera ends, the video ends, I'm gonna remember. I can't remember.
You had a good story time for your family. I said, yeah, that would be good for child too. Damn, man. I know they wanted to hear it too, no?
I don't know what it was about. I can't remember,
I
guys.
remember.
I wish I could. Oh man, I wish I could remember.
What is this again, first lady? Cheapest water bottle.
Link will be in the description.
Alright. Courtesy of. Alright, don't worry. Just holla.
Just look for the section that's blank.
Just holla. Damn, I wanna know your story for real enough. Sorry.
I can't remember.
And so you were gonna say, and I say, yeah, tell it. Yeah.
Sasha, stop.
Yeah, man.
It was a good. Well, if I remember, I'll write it down.
Right down here, we're gonna tell them.
So let's tell her the next video.
Next week, you probably could tell them on Friday.
Probably too. Oh,
I should tell you Friday.
oh, honey, I saw when you're swallowing. It hurts.
Told mine. Shot too much.
But
Can't. I don't want to bite it again because your nose still cut.
and that would be.
I don't like that. I don't like that, man. I be getting mad because I can't eat. You know?
Yeah, you can't eat fast. You can eat, you just can't eat fast.
I know a lot of y'all bite your tongue before.
I know I did.
It ain't nothing pretty. My teeth mark is in there. Oh, yeah, nice one. Come on, TikToks, you know?
Look at that. Let's really go.
All right.
What's that?
Appreciate all of y'all know that, right? You know that. Yes, you. I see you right this man say, no, real, no, real couple, don't do it. That's y'all. Appreciate all of y'all. You know that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh God. I'm stuck in my teeth. I cannot believe I forgot the story time. I cannot believe
My
it.
Bex, you know, I want nice one that too, you know. Yeah. Don't forget to like. Your belly full, huh? Subscribe, comment, and share. You know, we share our food with you today, as always, family.
You know why you know why your belly full? Because you took your time and ate.
No, man.
Yes.
No, man, I can't belly.
Your stomach was able to let your brain know that you're full. You yum so fast that your stomach doesn't have a chance to tell your brain that you're full.
You can't tell me that.
Is it true? Okay.
My belly different from yours. My belly say you're full today.
Alright, guys.
You think
See
first
my
lady?
teeth?
Let me see. Right? Just so. I'm biting everything that I'm not going. Run the video.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.